Hi guys, welcome back to my garden, which is Young's Garden, and today I would like to share with you this special clip, and I will be showing you my successful grafting technique. And this is Jaboticaba, and I got these Zions from Hawaii, which I visited Bill Morel, and he gave me some of his Zions. And here it is, guys. I came home right away. It was dark, so I couldn't make a video, but today I'm gonna make a special video all about grafting Jaboticaba. And this particular variety is the Sabara. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. Comment below, tell me if I butcher it. I actually grafted 8, and I successfully shoot out 7, and one of which is Thompson from Vista, and I got it from my friend. So 2 variety in this tree, and it came out nicely. So a lot of people say it's really hard to graft Jaboticaba, but in this video I'm gonna prove to you that it is possible, and I've seen it done before, not visually, but I've seen it done afterward, and the growth and everything. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna show you in this video that it is possible to graft a Jaboticaba. Okay, so just stick around, bear with me. I'm just showing you all these successful grafting. This is my second Jaboticaba, which is also Sabara, and is mature. I graft probably like 7 or 8 on this tree, probably 7, and I got 4 or 5 that shoots out, probably 5 on this one. And as you can see, it's nicely shooting out for you, and this proves that it is possible. So if you stick around, I will give you a lesson of how to graft Jaboticaba. Like I said, it is kind of hard because the wood is very hard, so that is why they said it's very almost too impossible. So the first lesson is always get your pruner, clean it, wash it, alcohol it. You need zip tied, a knife or grafting knife. I couldn't find my grafting knife. Here I have party favor bags, or you can find any bag that you can tie. And this is an old graft, so I'm gonna pull it out, and here I am cutting it off. And this was my old graft. It didn't work, it kind of fell off. So I did test it. It is still green and alive, so I am just gonna cut off and trim it. Here you have to trim both sides to make it sharp, and the sharp part is the end of the stick. And I already put some grafting tape. It's still on there, and it's still good. And remember, clean your knife, clean your pruner with alcohol. They said to use 70% alcohol. That's preferably used for these kind of grafting techniques. So here I'm just trimming it. I know it takes a while because the wood, again, is very hard. Sometimes it's very tricky. So I literally have to trim it like 3 or 4 times. Again, just first you have to find a branch that is the same size as your scion. And here it's kind of a little tricky because it kind of bent. So just find something that's nice and straight. And here I'm just putting my knife right in the middle of the stick and try to make a little split so you can kind kind of squeeze your scion that you trim off right in the middle so it can fit. Again, be careful. This is my disclaimer. Try not to cut yourself and blame it on my video. Be extra careful, but because people can get hurt from this, try not to put your hand right underneath the knife because it can split all the way down and hit your finger. Again, I am a beginner and this is one of my probably third try, or you can say third tree. I'm very new at grafting and I just took a few lessons just watching YouTube. I thought it's very easy. You know, you cut this, you trim that, and you put it all together. But technically, it's a little tricky. As you can see, there's like little, you know, space in between. So I had to trim that part down, make it straight because it was kind of curved, the stick. And then I also have to trim my scion. So it took me a few tries. As you can see, I try to push it back. Every time I pull it up, I have to trim my scion. So here it is. This is probably my third try trimming it down. And here I am trying to push it back in just to see if it fits. Try not to have any space in between. And when you push it, try not to have it split too much that it will leave that space in between. And here it looks like it's good and totally fits. Next up, I use a grafting tape and I just tape over the splits and where I put it together. And then after that, I will use a bag over it and use zip tie to tie it over that just to secure it and give it about 1 or 2 months, see if it's take. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. Please subscribe. It will help my channel a lot and give me more energy to make other videos. Bye.